Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter the reset options, which are at the very bottom of the list, and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Here your device is not only informing you what it will reset, but also gives you the opportunity to erase downloaded SIMs. So it's basically up to you whether you want to use it or not. Simply tap on Reset Settings, and here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset Settings if you are ready and wait patiently. As you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.